I pee my pants when I sneeze or cough. Is this normal? Well, 1 out of 3 postpartum women will complain of stress urinary incontinence, and that number only grows as we get older. So know this is common, not normal, but most importantly, this is treatable. This is treatable with things like pelvic floor exercises, known as Kegels, and pelvic floor physical therapy. You can also look into our at-home pelvic floor strengthening device called Flyte. You can read more about Flyte and how it can help treat your SUI at flytetherapy.com. You can click the link below.